Life be like, yeah, my life be like.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Aviana Zurins in Lake Buchanan today, and the weekend started off pretty warm. Today, when I walked out, just cut to the clip how it looked like this morning. Oh, it's a beautiful morning. Oh, hell no.
A few moments later.
Now I'm ready. As you can see, I had to put some clothes on, but then you know what? It's not gonna be as fun. It's not gonna be as great footage if I'm all bulky. So I had to put the swimming suit back on. Today we're gonna be riding in Lake Buchanan. I am going to be riding this baby, the Spark Trixx. I know. Why did I pick the coldest day of the trip to ride this girl? But I've got to get that video. The plan is to try to pop a wheelie under the waterfall, going through the waterfall. Let's see if we can get some good video from that. Because I'm doing this, everybody's like, oh my gosh, you're gonna ride the Trixx? You're gonna get soaking wet. I'm doing it for you guys. I'm most likely gonna get soaking wet riding the Spark Trixx. Go ahead and go give me that like button right now. Hit that like button for me, and also make sure you're subscribed. But before we get to the riding video, I want y'all to check out this place. If y'all are ever in the Lake Buchanan area, y'all need to check out Highline Resort. Now, Highline Resort is located right off of Lake Buchanan. As you can see, look, I'm right here in this room, and the water's right here. I'm even close to the boat ramp right over here. Let me show y'all the aerial view. Cue the video. Lake Buchanan is known for their beautiful waterfall. It is a legit waterfall that is in Texas. And I thought, like, she's gonna have a couple little drops, but no, it is a legit waterfall. So I'm gonna make sure to put the Highline Resort information down below, because a lot of people always wanna know where I'm staying and what the locations and the nice spots to stay. And this is actually a prime location to stay at because it's not too far from the waterfall, especially if you wanted to just switch in and out with passengers, or just to save fuel, or it's a pretty calm on this side versus having to ride the big part of the lake. We're close to the river where you'll need to go to get to the waterfall. Now let's get moving. It's like shallow, like we can't go underneath it?
Yeah, I run underneath it, but Kyle goes, he's kind of like further out, there's a bunch of twigs sticking out. He gets up and
you hear that? They think I'm crazy for riding the Spark Trixx, but I'm doing it for you guys, so make sure you smash that like button. Crazy guy, crazy guy. Oh, the sun! see the crazy things I do just so I can get the good footage, the good content? Now I'm shivering. It is cold. Here, you want to trade? You want to trade?
I got it.
No, do you want to trade?
Oh, you will?
Oh, yeah.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
It's only a once in a lifetime thing.
Soon after.
I think Bishop lost my hat whenever he was wheeling, and I think I see it right over here. Let me see. Let's cut it off. I think it's over here. Yeah. 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 Got it. Got it. Got the hat. When I'm writing, I just happen to stop at things like squirrel. Oh, cows! I'm not trying to scare you. Sorry, I was just trying to look at you guys. Sorry about that. Okay, I'll leave. I know this exhaust is loud and obnoxious. So, but I mean, who doesn't like the way it sounds sometimes? I'll leave them alone. Let's keep going.
You know about rolling down in the deep. Riding in the deep. Down in the deep.
Now I know y'all be loving this shit right here.
Rolling, rolling, rolling.
What you gonna do?
Rolling, rolling.
What you gonna do now?
Down in the rolling, rolling, rolling.
What you gonna do? Right, y'all be loving this shit.